I'm Shamali Sinha. Welcome to Foodie-Z. Today I'm making choto macher chachori. Now choto mach means small fish and chachori is literally mean a Bengali dry curry which is often made with one or many vegetables. So let's get started. Today I am using local whiting fish. You can make the dish with any small fish in your locality. Here I have 2 trays of whiting fish. Today we got this small fish fillet. Transferring them in this shallow bowl. Now add in salt and rub the fish to remove the scale. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse the fish for 4 to 5 times. After that, rub the fish with turmeric powder and salt. Let it sit off aside for 5 minutes and heat up the mustard oil. When the oil temperature reaches the smoking point, reduce the heat to low and add the fish in small batches. Fry each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Now many people they don't like their fish should be overcooked or overdone, but honestly we don't like undercooked fish just because that fishy smell. So I'm going to fry this fish for a little longer, but if you don't like, you just cook for each side 2 minutes or so. Then remove from the oil. Alright. Next, I'm adding this onion seeds or kalo jeera in this remaining hot oil, followed by this chopped garlic. Now that's completely optional. And then I'm adding this sliced red onion. Here in this bowl, I have potatoes cut into sticks. So add in these potatoes. Sprinkle in turmeric powder, salt, and over medium heat, cook until potatoes are halfway cooked through. Next, add these chopped tomatoes. Now time to add all the basic spices like coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and add about a half cup of water. Mix well and now put the lid on and cook until the oil is releasing from the mixture. It will take about 7 to 8 minutes and make sure you check in between and give a stir to prevent the masala from burning. Now add this fried fish and then add a cup of warm water. When the liquid starts simmering, add these sliced green chilies. As much heat you like, I added 3. Now add this chopped coriander leaves. Gently stir to mix all the flavor. Put the lid on again and reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Then turn off the heat and give some resting time before serve. I hope you like this recipe. Give this recipe a try, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do share with others. Subscribe. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.